Hey there, everybody. This is Travis Parker from Rule One Investing, and I want to talk to you today about an article that was published in Barron's titled Dollar General Jumps as Former CEO Returns. Now, just as a bit of background, Dollar General is the largest discount retailer in the US with over 19,000 stores across 47 states. And they have a price moat because of that scale, all those stores that they control, a relatively small footprint store, and a limited set of items that they sell. And that gives them the advantage of being able to negotiate favorable contracts with their suppliers and then pass that on in the form of low prices to their customers. Now, shares are down about 60% year to date, primarily because the company's been challenged with recent disappointing earnings, really driven by the fact that consumer spending is slowing down as a result of rising interest rates and inflation. Now, Jeff Owens took over as CEO in only November of 2022, and this relatively short stint comes to a pretty abrupt end as former CEO Todd Vassos will be coming in out of retirement to lead the company for the foreseeable future. Now, Mr. Vassos previously led the company for about 7 years and was highly successful before he retired and handed the reins over to Mr. Owens. Now, the board cites issues such as operational issues and some other leadership challenges as the reason why they wanted to make the change. But I actually suspect that the huge jump in their debt is also a contributing factor because during Owens' leadership, which is less than a year, the company increased debt by 74% from 4.2 billion in 2022 to a current debt level of 7.3 billion. And this is a high debt load is really our main concern with this otherwise very good business. And we know that debt can kill a business, specifically during a severe economic downturn. And as Rule One investors, it's really important to us that we own businesses that we're confident can survive even the worst economic downturn. Now, the market was obviously really happy with this leadership change as the price is up a little bit over 8% today. And we're going to be watching Dollar General pretty closely to see if Mr. Vassos actually starts paying down the debt and correcting some of these operational issues. If so, we might start getting interested in taking a deeper dive into Dollar General to see if it's a wonderful business and a Rule One style investment.